All right, guys, what's up? New day. We're working on the Beetle, not the SRT4 front wheel drive Beetle. Although we'll work on that soon. This is just a quick project. After my fiasco with powder coating the Illusion Color Shift powder over the factory black powder coat on my 23 Tacoma step sides, I wanted to try it again. So what we have here is a roof rack from Harbor Freight or Amazon. It's the same exact one, it just sells under different brands. So Hallmaster or Max Hall. It comes factory black. So right here, black powder coat. As you can see, we've been prepping this one to go in the oven. Acetone in a rag, nice and clean. Now that we're here and we're ready to go, we will spray this with the Color Shift without grinding any of that factory powder coat off. So we're just gonna go right over the, understandably Chinese powder coat. Yeah, the original Bug, which is a 71 Beetle, slammed onto a 2021 CF Moto 950 Z4 side-by-side chassis. It's cyan blue, like a nice oceany blue, and bright pink. So no color shift powders really exist to match that, but Candyman, which is basically just a over black Illusion color shift that has as many flakes as possible of about every color, it matches about anything. So that's what we're going to spray on here, and that's what we sprayed directly over here. Bam. So here's the back of this, Amazon special, Harbor Freight special, Chinese special rack, and you can see how it glimmers. We've got the other half already sprayed, and it is in the oven. I'll even open the oven prematurely to show you. It's only at 150, so there we go. Everything's sprayed and baking. I threw the accessories in there as well, and I probably should have put the accessories towards the back of the oven, all things considered, but they are towards the front of the oven, but they're towards the back, so those might overbake. Just the accessories, who cares? Alrighty, so here we are. This is still at 250 degrees, and the rear one's definitely baked at 400. Even though the oven was set to 350, you're just so close back there. But again, those are just the mounting brackets and stuff, not too worried about it. I hope you can see the angle and the light reflecting off this. Really happy with this powder. So we're gonna let this cool down, put it together, and I'll show you how I'm gonna retrofit mount it to the roof of the Baja Bug. Dogs, fuck you. Something like that. Wow, Beetle's got small roof lines. Anyways, we're gonna have to raise it up, angle it, make it look right, but something like that. Here we are, doing a little bit of a sniff test on the roof rack. I don't know, how do you guys think the rake is on that? I don't think it's too far. And we've got the windshield lining up exactly where that sheet metal slant is. So I think that's good enough. And as you can see from mounting, we are using the OEM brackets from the Chinese reseller and just bolting it to the roof. Yeah, there's some holes in there. Some holes in the side-by-side too. So that's all good. Let's throw 2 bolts through the, or let's throw 4 bolts through the back, get this locked down in place, and maybe think about a tire carrier on the back. That could be cool. But anyways, let's finish bolting this down nice and simple. All right, so that's everything bolted in. As you can see, these 5/16 bolts, I made them adjustable so I could, do the pitch and the awe. As I roll this more and break the hood more, if I want to, get it realigned, it should be able to do so. So, yeah, let's do a final tightening and I'll show you what it looks like in the sun. All right, guys. So yeah, we've got it all mounted. We've got it tightened down enough for now. I might take it off to, add some more light bars or maybe do a tire carrier in the rear. So it's mostly finger tight, but if you don't tell, I won't tell. So we've got everything mounted. Here's how it looks in the sunlight. Give you a little walk around angle. Look at that sparkle. Oh baby. There's some blue and pink in there. But yeah, I don't really have any other sunlight or anything scenic. So just parked in front of the house. Hope the wife doesn't care. So stoked with that. Got a little bit of dirt and dust on it, but we could wipe it off later. Really happy with it. I might CNC cut out a new nameplate for up top, but we'll do that later. Make that blue and pink, add some powder. But yeah, so she's tight. She's torqued on there. And all it needs now is some mud and maybe some dents and bruises like the rest of it to match. So yeah, quick and easy. Color shift powder over Chinese OEM powder coat. Really stoked with it. Love this thing. If I wasn't going to the beach this weekend, I would go take it out, find some rocks.